In today's video, I'll teach you how to delete ReelShort account. First of all, what you have to do is launch open ReelShort application. You can see over here ReelShort application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. At bottom, you'll be able to find various icons over here. Tap on the profile icon that you'll be able to see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, you'll be able to access your profile over here. You'll be able to find various options. In this interface, find the option for settings and tap on it. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the settings interface. You can see over here, you can find the options for terms of service, privacy policy, clear cache, raters, delete account and sign out. Simply tap on this option, delete account. Now you'll be able to find various informations over here. Your account will be permanently deleted. Also, access to the app using this account will be disabled. All the associated data, including identification details, usernames, browsing history, third-party account links, and any app purchases will be permanently removed. Keep in mind, if you have an active VIP subscription, its renewal time will not be changed. So in order to cancel it, you'll have to visit the store page. Now after you read the terms and conditions, tap on this option. I have read and agree to the above content. Now tap on this option, delete account, that you can see on the screen. Now wait for a while and you'll be able to confirm the deletion. You'll be able to see your balance over here. Now after a while, confirm deletion button will be activated. Tap on it. Now your account deletion has been successful. So that is how you delete ReelShort account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.